What is going on? What is happening? If this is your first time seeing my face, my name is Camille. Thank you for tapping in with me. If you have been in before, welcome back. This is a what's in the bag unboxing. First impressions of a couple of fragrances I found in my local Ross. They're nothing new, nothing crazy. It's just some fragrances that I kind of wanted to. I heard about them, and I wanted to pick them up and check them out. So today we are going to unbox Bentley for Man Black Edition and Mercedes Benz Blue. I'm sorry, Mercedes Benz Man Bright. I'm a fan of the Mercedes Benz collection, so we're gonna crack that one open first. So box, nothing crazy. For those who want to see the box, this is a eau de parfum concentration, 100 milliliter, 3.4 ounces. How you open this thing? Oh, just pull it off. Okay. So this is the bottle. I really like these bottles. I've had like a collection of like maybe, this is gonna be a fingerprint magnet too. I had a sample pack of like 4 of them. I forget which one. I think this is the one that was in the 4. So you just pull the cap off like this. And let's give it a spray. This smells familiar. It smells very familiar. Soft, musky, blue. This smells very familiar. It probably smells familiar because I had it years ago as well, but this kind of smells familiar. Let me throw it on the strip real quick. I'm not really catching it in the air, which is not a good thing. Oh, wait a minute. So bright is in the name, bright is in the fragrance. It is a bright blue, aquatic, soft, subtle situation. It smells very familiar, so it's nothing to, I forgot how much this cost. I think it was like 30 bucks. I straight forgot. Because I think the tag was on the actual container, not plastic. But I'm pretty sure it was $30. I've never went to Ross and spent over 30 bucks on a fragrance. This smells very familiar. It has a little aftershave kind of feel to it. But it's like a blue, not really aquatic, but it's just blue freshness to it. Let me look at the notes real quick. It's kind of fading from the paper. It's really fading from the paper. So I'm curious to what it would do on skin. Okay, so top notes of bergamot, mint, and pink pepper. Middle notes of lavender and incense. I get no incense. Tonka bean. Base notes of tonka bean, cedar, and patchouli. The lavender and the bergamot, I like that combination. It makes it soft, it makes it subtle, it makes it wearable, something that you can wear in the office, wear after getting out the shower, wear to the gym. It's slightly soapy, nothing crazy. It's slightly soapy. I like this. This is definitely gym signature scent worthy. Gym signature scent worthy is Mercedes Benz Man Bright. I like this. Okay, wait a minute. As I smell it more, it's becoming more soapy and powdery and soft. Oh, I like this. I'm gonna put this to the side. I'm gonna come back to this after we go over the next fragrance. So this is Bentley for Man Black Edition. This is the eau de parfum concentration, same as the Mercedes Benz Man Bright. 100 milliliters, 3.4 ounces. This is my first Bentley fragrance, and I kind of wanted to keep it with like, Mercedes Benz, Bentley, kind of keep it with the car fragrances. Just looking at this bottle, I'm thinking it's something that it'll be for the nighttime. I have no idea what the notes are in this as of yet. Nothing crazy. How you open it? Nothing crazy. Okay. You just pop the top off. I'm like, I was trying to twist it. The atomizer, they got Bentley inside. Okay, it kind of reminds me of something that somebody would wear in high school. It smells, I don't know how old this is, how old this fragrance is. This smells like a very old fragrance. Not like an old man, but something that came out in like maybe 07, 05. I don't know. Maybe I'm just smelling too much fragrances. Let me me throw this on a strip real quick. 2 sprays, 2 squirts. What's in this bottle is not displayed in on the outside of the bottle. Like, looking at it, I'm thinking it's something elegant, something you would wear at night. Bentley for Men Black Edition. Something dressed up, suited and booted. This is, it's a little bit, tastes the smell of lemon. It's a note in here I've never smelled before, so I can't really call it, but it's very overpowering. It's okay. Not nothing to go run and go grab. It's very faint on this strip, so I'm hoping, it's like I said, it's an eau de parfum concentration. I'm hoping that the sillage or it lasts long throughout the day. Let me check the notes real quick. I'm not really happy with this right now. It's not that I'm not happy, I'm just not moved by this right now. So this apparently came out in 2018, but it gives me 05, 07 vibes. It's an amber, spicy fragrance. Top notes are violet, tangerine, pink pepper, and nutmeg. Tangerine is it's in the back. It's not really popping to me. Middle notes are papyrus, earthy notes, patchouli, sweet notes, and jasmine. Base notes are atlas, cedar, moss, incense, tobacco, and tonka bean. I don't know. I'm not moved by this. I mean, I don't know. I'll have to maybe wear it to see if this is something that you would wear as a black tie type of situation, black tie event, but it gives me woody, it gives me earthy. I hear some people like the other fragrances of Bentley. This is my first Bentley fragrance I own, I've ever smelled. I get the tangerine, I like the violet. I don't get tobacco in here. I smell no tobacco. Maybe it's something that'll pop when I wear it on skin. So far, I'm thinking this is something you can easily wear to the office. It's non-offensive. Like I said, it came out in 2018, but it really reminds me of something from 05, from my high school days. Yeah, I don't know about this. So that is it. Per usual, I'll throw these in my weekly rotations, wear them over the next couple of days, spend some time with them, see how they perform, see what I like about them, what I don't like about them, see when I will wear them, things like that. And I'll basically see if it's worth throwing on a shelf or going in a bucket. I appreciate you all for tapping in with me. I'll catch you on the next one.